A very good afternoon. Dutch bike blogger here. Thank you for riding with me on my bike trip from home or from work back to home. Someone is blocking the road and was looking on the phone. The car behind it honked and wanted to go by. So somebody was not paying attention to what was going behind her. Well, this morning there was rain and now it's dry. See link in description box to this morning's video. My t-shirt has dried again, so riding in dry clothes.
Maar ik zag
Close look in front of you. Well, you probably have seen my video from this morning and also that one before. From my journey with my mattress to home from IKEA. I checked the time what I was busy from going to IKEA to home. It was about 45 minutes walking. And the new mattress, the top mattress, or how do you call it, is a normal mattress, and there is a thinner mattress on top of it. Works fine, by the way. When I got home, I unpacked it and put it on my bed. Niet te zoeken met een auto, ophoepelen. The car should not have gone there, so that's why I did not give a lot of room to it. Good thinking of the man in the car not to open his door. Otherwise he probably would have had to take his door from the ground. It looks like a quite flimsy door when I would have hit it. Well, like I said, the mattress is okay, very much okay. I do have to say the old one was a little bit stiffer, but harder, firmer. But maybe that's because the one I threw away was a little bit older, more dense or whatnot. But the new one is very much okay. I remade my bed to pull everything apart and put on the mattress. Was quite difficult to get it out of the packaging. It was a sealed plastic package, was tightly rolled, as you could see, and it took some effort to get it out. And it was not like when I pulled open the plastic that the mattress flew into its shape. No, I had to roll it out, and then plastic was covering the whole mattress, so took it off, of course. Well, nice addition to my, or re-addition to my bedroom, my sleeping arrangement. Good thing I threw out the old one. It was damaged, broken and ripped. Good idea to get a new one. Furthermore, this weekend I've been editing. I made several Borkum videos. One I already had, but the other three I had to make. It was time consuming, and I editing, well, one a day during several hours. But I think in each video will sit a time of, well, 5 to 6 hours of editing. And editing meant in this time looking at a video, trying to snip out what it not be in view, also overlay some music on the speech. I was not alone, so I had to cut out some speech and put in some music over there. Also had to find out with the map where I was and put in text. Waiting for 3 minutes was too long for these guys, these girls. And also I made the text in the video in 3 languages: Dutch, English and German. And then I had to translate it. I started with Dutch and then translate to English and then translate to German. Sometimes a German sentence, well, was mangled up so bad I had to do it myself or rearrange. So translation from Dutch to English okay, but Dutch to German, nope. Not a good thing. At least I would not make a letter with it. But for this video it was good enough, and I do know some German, so that's okay. I speak some German, I mean. But when you don't speak German, you will just copy and hope it's okay. Well, it's sometimes a sentence totally wrong, words wrong. In German, and there's also der, die, and das. That's quite difficult. So, but I managed, and sometimes I make mistakes, and there probably will be mistakes in there. But well, cannot change it. Well, I can, but then I have to take down the whole video and re-edit it. Well, that's not going to happen. I lose my views, so that's not going to be done. It's going to be staying like this. But normally a video like this, well, I do not much editing on there. Well, I do, but it's quite simple. No need for music, just me talking. No putting text balloons under there or subtitles. And not as much cutting as I did in the Borkum video. See playlist for Borkum, by the way. We'll provide you with a link. 4 videos of that. Good thing I did not opt to put it in one big video, otherwise it would be very much longer than an hour. I think 1 hour and 20 minutes or so, 15 or something. I opted to cut it in parts, and that's it. Hopefully you like it. If you did not see it, please check it out. Like I said, check the description box for that one. And now almost home. Back to editing another one. Editing never stops, but what I do have to edit now is a lot simpler, because there don't have to be music underneath, no cuts, me just talking. Don't have to mute speech from other people, which is all a bit nicer. Well, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Do take care of yourself. Have a nice day, and like always, be safe out there.